Hello there guys and welcome to Student Meals. In this episode I will show you a recipe that I picked up in the holiday season. It was made by one of my friends who had a Christmas party and this appetizer was really good, so I asked the recipe and there you go. Small shout out to Lily. I hope that you enjoy this episode. So what you'll need is about 200 grams of bacon bits. Here I have some smoked bacon bits, which I find super delicious. About 300 grams of cream cheese. You can also use cream cheese with herbs, but I'm just going to take a plain one. Roughly 100 grams of sour cream. A good handful of jalapeno peppers. Really depends on how spicy you want it. So if you want your dip to be spicier, you can always add more. A good handful of chives. You can also use spring onion. It's all up to you. And finally, you can add whatever herbs you like. I'm just going to add pepper. You can always add a little bit salt, but keep in mind that the bacon is already pretty salty, so just be careful with that. So first of all, I'm going to fry the bacon. Take a pan and put it on the fire and just add the bacon to it. I'm not using any oil for this because bacon is really fat and you can pretty much fry it like this. Now fry this until your bacon is nice and golden brown. The bacon is nice and crispy. Now take a plate with some kitchen paper and put it on there, so that the fat drains. While the bacon is resting, I'm going to chop the chives. Just going to chop them in two and chop them quite fine. Something like this. Just going to scoot them over a bit, and now I'm going to do the same with the jalapenos. You can either use fresh jalapenos or pickled ones like these. The choice is yours. There we go, something like that. We've come to the final step. Take a bowl and add your cream cheese in there. I was hoping it would come out in one piece. Damn it. Also the sour cream. Sour cream does not disappoint. And first I'm going to give everything a good stir to cream up the cream cheese or whatever, I don't know. I'm just going to stir it. I hope this bowl will fit everything. And now just add, whoa, almost knocked off the camera. And now just add the rest of the ingredients. The chives, jalapeno bits, and finally the bacon bits. Give everything another stir. Make sure that everything is well combined. That's a lot of calories, boys and girls. There we go. And finally, I'm just going to add a little bit of pepper. And that's it. Give it a good stir. Everything is spilling over.
Yes, scoop it.
Never?
Scoop it. I won't waste.
No, I will not scoop it. And there you go. Present it in a nice way and just serve it up. Of course, we're never going to serve this small pot in real life, but for the presentation's sake, there you go. Let's eat.
Time for a test. Cheers. It's a bit spicy. No, I really like this because it's very fresh because of the cream cheese and the sour cream, and the bacon gives a little bite and crunch to it, and then the jalapenos give a very nice spiciness to it. Usually I do not really like spicy food, but for me this is actually tolerable. It's not too spicy, so it's nice, and it just gives a little tingly feeling on the tip of your tongue. So I hope you guys will enjoy this appetizer. I know we will enjoy it right now. Thank you again for watching this episode. If you liked it, feel free to give us a thumbs up or subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate all of your support. And as always, see you in the next one. Goodbye!
Show me later.
Merry Christmas!